Your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Trevor Birchett.
Just taking a quick glance at some of the latest reports, the Air Force Base weather station here in Columbus officially just gusted to 52 miles an hour. We're also getting several reports of trees toppling over in Webster County, also several along I-55 in Carroll and Grenada counties over to the west of us. We're going to keep an eye on those and keep you updated on social media as that latest information comes in. As of right now, though, a severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect for a good chunk of our Mississippi counties. Most of this is going to go until 9 p.m. tonight, and that is for that line of storms that's been rolling through the area. I'll show you that on radar in just a little bit. I want to take you live outside, though, to the studio here in downtown Columbus. You see the heavy rain falling. The worst of the wind hasn't quite made it here downtown just yet, still up at the Air Force Base. But there have been some gusty winds around and also some small hail, as I just told you about, up near the Air Force Base in the northern portion of Lowndes County. Right now, here's a look at radar. There's that line of storm started all the way up near Memphis and has made its way all the way through our area. Right now, basically right there along Highway 82. I'll take you in a little bit closer. Here's a view of the Golden Triangle. Heavier pockets of rain right now coming through Columbus, southern Oktibbeha County. Also back off to the west, we're talking about Choctaw County, over into Atala County, Kosciuszko getting in on some heavier rain right now. Severe thunderstorm warnings, which means the danger is imminent. The heavy rain, the gusty winds, and the hail, those are going to go until about 5:45, and then hopefully that line of storms will start to push out of our hair in the next couple of hours. Some gusty winds certainly doing some damage, though. Take a look at this from Winona, from Alley. Some of that tin roof being ripped off. We actually got another photo. Part of the roof was across the yard a little bit. So it doesn't take a tornado to do damage. These gusty winds and these severe thunderstorms can do just as much damage as a brief spin-up tornado. So pay attention to them and keep a close eye on the weather as this line rolls through. I really think as we get into the 10 o'clock hour, we're going to start to dry out. Just a few isolated showers closer to midnight with some clouds continuing to pass by here. Temperatures falling down into the 70s overnight tonight. In general, the weekend looking pretty nice, though. We're going to keep a mix of sun and clouds in play. Can't rule out an isolated shower for Saturday. I think most of us stay dry, though. Hot and humid, highs in the mid-90s for both Saturday and Sunday. But, of course, all eyes right now are down in the tropics. Tropical storm Cristobal still down in the Bay of Campeche. You see the swirl there. That is our tropical storm. Right now, winds about 40 miles an hour. And here's what we're thinking is going to happen. Looking like it's going to make landfall in Louisiana late Sunday night, early Monday morning. After that, it's going to go just to the west of us, and that puts us on the eastern side of the storm. That means heavy rain, gusty winds, and the potential of an isolated spin-up tornado as we get into Monday through Friday. So we're going to keep the rain chances in play, courtesy of the remnants of Cristobal, as we get into next week. But again, the weekend generally looking nice. We're just going to have to keep an eye on those rain showers from the tropics. After that, drying out by the end of the week with highs in the mid-80s. We're back with more after this. Stay with us.